Went back down below again.
This is Dino with DH Electric. We're here on a service call about a ceiling fan arcing. The light switch is turned off, so the power should be off on the fan itself. See, there's obviously a major...
I'm gonna bust this fan up.
See?
This is for you, YouTube crybabies. Oh, there's a home run for you. Oh no, here comes Dose. Oh, that's a park. Boom, that was for you again. Hold on, we got Trace for you crybaby ass motherfuckers. Trace. Oh, home run, up yours, he said. Suck on that. Oh, he threw it down.
It's in my hair. Look, it's getting darker in here, Matt.
Aww.
You only got one bulb left.
Wanna play with that one?
Yeah. Get it off. Bring it up. Oh shit! Harpin homemade pickaxe.
Made from a piece of wood. I don't know if it's 2x4 or not.
Yeah, it's whether it's safe, whether it's safe or not, who cares?
That's safe.
Here goes. Oh, that hurt. Pisses me off. I can't stand.
Oh, no, I guess it wasn't.
Well, that was really smart, man. What did you do? Touch that?
I touched the cord. I touched the cord.
Well, I mean, people calling us stupid and that really helps our case, right?
I'm pretty sure we're stupid. Look what we're doing. Oh, shit.